Hi guys, beautiful day in the author industry today. We're talking about another Shopify app I use is Selleasy. Here's the thing, there's lots of options out there. Whenever I have a client who's trying to build a store, they want me to build their store for them, or I'm trying to do a consult, I literally recommend the plugins that not only have great reviews, but also have more than one functionality. So you can get frequently bought together as an app, and you can get like Reconvert as another separate app. And I think that ends up being about $30 a month. Okay. I use Selleasy. And I'm going to show you what it does. And this actually is on a priority rating, which I really appreciate. But here I am. I'm in my apps, in my Shopify store. You can see the ones that I've set up. These are the offer names. These are cart add-ons, product add-ons, post-purchase upsell, thank you page add-ons, upsell funnel, frequently bought together. Okay, so there's all of these options, okay, that I've set up. What we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to start looking at things. So we're going to look at the settings first. The widgets, which as you know is how you actually, that's what sets up things on a store. For instance, this right here is a widget. The apps or the reviews are a widget. This also is a widget. Whether this is actually the store, you may also like is a Shopify store version of the widget, but these are all sections are widgets, okay? So this actual app is the widgets is Selleasy. Again, I prefer Selleasy. I really like it. And so here it is. You have the product page widgets. The ones on the product pages, these are frequently bought together and product add-ons. So that would be my frequently bought together, okay, or add-ons. And I don't have the add-ons on my product pages because I have frequently bought together, and I like the search and discovery, which usually is right here, but it looks like it's not here for some weird reason. Okay, and I can actually, I'll go in and figure out, I think what it is it's probably because I don't have it enabled in my other product pages. So anyways, okay, so we'll talk about that in another video. But I have it, I have it here, and I can come down here and I can take them off and it'll show me, oh, this much. If I use all of them, I also get 10% off, right? It lets me do that. So let's go back in and we're going to actually look at that. I got to find the app. Okay, there it is. So we have the product add-ons, and then we have frequently bought together. All right, so then we also have upsell funnel. And so this is your cart page. So you have your upsell funnel and you have your cart add-ons. So this would be like if you go to your cart page, you're like, yeah, go to your shopping cart. Oh, did you want to, like if you go to, Walmart and they're like, hey, you forgot to get the chips with your salsa, kind of a thing. That's exactly what this is. This is your upsells. There's a pop-up. There's like all the things. This is a pop-up widget for the upsell funnel, and this is your cart add-on. So you can actually choose if you want it to be where it's a pop. This one is predominantly a pop-up widget, but it doesn't only work as a pop-up widget, okay? And you would just edit the widgets in here and enable them or disable them. So the cart add-ons, again, those are underneath. They'll let you add it onto the thing. I love this one because in the other apps that I've used, they didn't let me add anything on the cart page. And that was a huge deal to me because what if they saw, oh, I have books 1, 2, and 3, but what about book 4? Well, book 4 should already be listed on the cart add-on. Do you want to add these? Because it's the rest of the series, right? And you can offer a deal on it, which is what the offers are. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So then we have here the checkout widget. This is actually on the post-purchase upsell. So after the payment's been captured, they will actually, it'll be before the thank you page. It's like, hey, just really quick, just want to remind you, there is a rest of the series here, right? Or whatever. And again, you edit all that here. The thank you page is, again, there's stuff on the thank you page that will tell you, hey, you got this. Thank you so much. But I really think it would enhance your experience to get this and this and this. Okay. And I always do tag orders because I do a lot of funnel work, a lot of automation and workflows, and I need the tags in place so that Bonity can do my work. Okay, so that's what I do. And then I use this, I display a pop-up on the cart page. Again, this is something that I had up here. Okay, so this is the settings. This is pretty basic. If you go into edit the widget, it literally asks you, where do you want the desktop position to be? Where do you want the mobile position to be? What are your settings? And it does not get easier. It literally asks you, do you want it or not? Okay, do I want it called frequently bought together? You dang right I do, because that's what Amazon does. That's what all the stores do. Okay, so that's what you do. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go into stylings. So here in the styling section of the Selleasy app, we have all different things. It's like, hey, do you want there to be a background color? You can. Do you want there to be a font size? Do it. I just do auto detect. I usually do auto detect on my stuff because it matches my theme and the customization for my theme, so that when I go in and change my theme settings, I don't have to come back in here and be like, hey, you need to fix this. Okay. So it auto detects the padding and everything similar to what I have on the rest of the store. Margins, again, everything the same. Then I have like all the custom stylings. I have this color right now, but since I'm now starting to move my apocalyptic name over, I'm probably going to come in with a different color. And so I will see how that works. So this is literally what you do. And it shows you the preview if you make any changes. Okay, so that's the styling, and you can literally pick out any of the things and it will fix it, okay? There's a help and then there's a perks. The help thing is literally, there's like their knowledge base and you can ask for help. I know my head's hiding it right. There's usually a little chat here. It might be because I'm in the styling, but you can go to the help thing. It'll help you if you want. And then the settings. Now, just a tip, I would highly recommend that you pin your apps if they're not already pinned, and you would have an option to pin it. And I'll show you in another video exactly how to do that. Okay, if you have any questions, let us know. Again, we're just doing a Shopify series, and we'll have some cheat sheets and stuff for you guys because some things are just easier when you have it on paper. But some of these things are just options. You don't have to do anything that I'm recommending. Again, this is just to help with anything that you guys might have questions of if you're do-it-yourself. Put questions in the comments or reach out to us to let us know that you have a question, and we'll do a video on it, and maybe someone else has the same question. All right, guys, hit like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.